Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2019. Take a look at our homework. We've got practice 5.2. Also got 20 minutes of MobyMax as due Friday. Christmas ad extra credit is also due next Monday, where you can bring in our ads out of the newspaper. You get a maximum of 10, and you can earn a half point for each one. In science, there is no homework. In social studies, if you did not get finished Hammurabi's Laws, you need to do that. Make sure that you're watching the 3 videos from Mr. Canfield and then following the instruction. In language arts, you need to complete the persuasion map online and save it. The directions are online for you, to save it properly. Please make sure you do that, or else all of your work will be lost. In literature, remember our AR goal is due next Friday. It gives you 9 days to get all of your points. All right, you guys still have 12 more days of school before break. Everyone have a fantastic rest of your day.